welcome back to my Canva Hacks tutorials. I'm Rizelle and Galvez, a Canva certified creatives and a founder of Canva Hacks. For today's videos, I'm gonna tour you around with the new features of Canva, which is Canva Content Planner. So let's start. Okay, let's go to your Canva dashboard. This is your Canva dashboard. If you can see, there is a new page or tab here, which is namely Content Planner. You just need to click this one, and you will see a calendar, the present calendar that you were in. You just need to click the plus sign with your target date of posting or scheduling. And then you can either choose to create your new design or choose your existing design. So let's gonna click this one. You can choose which platform you will posting that design. So maybe you can have Facebook. So it's automatically a Facebook post size. And then you will be creating your new design and then schedule it here. Just click that. Okay, make sure that you connect your social media platform, but for now I will not connect it. Take note that in every platform you can only connect one social media account. If you want to connect other accounts, you just need to delete the one that you connected previously in order you to schedule that post. Okay, so just click the schedule, type your caption here and your hashtag, and then click the schedule post. That is when you are creating new design, and you will just go in here in the Content Planner tab in the Canva dashboard. You can also choose design here. Just click, and then you will just need to click which design you will be posting in the social media. Okay, for example this one, and then click what social media account you will be scheduling that post, and then write the captions and then schedule the post. Another thing is, if you will be going to, let's have this one. If you are in your editorial page, so this is the editorial page and this is the Canva dashboard. And if you are in your editorial page, you can schedule or publish your post by clicking directly the page or the social media accounts that you were in. So you can publish it immediately or schedule it by clicking this one, schedule, and then choose the date, your preferred date that you want to post that design and the time. Okay, and then just click done. You will schedule that one. There will be a caption also that will pop out, and then schedule it. Okay, so that's how you will schedule a post using the Canva Content Planner. If you have any questions about Canva, feel free to drop it in the comments below. So I'm gonna create you a new tutorials for that, and don't forget to hit the bell button in order you to be notified. I hope that you learned a lot on this video. Don't forget to like and share, because sharing is caring. Bye!